What's up YouTube? My name is Blue Light Gaming and today we gonna unboxing another tech unboxing. Sorry, that's a weird sentence to say. And yeah, let's unbox some light. Today we gonna unboxing some small light. You can see in my hand right now a small light that I'm gonna unboxing today. Okay, we don't want to chit chat. Let's see what inside, what the box have to offer us. So in the box itself, the front box, we can see the light itself, the name of the light, if I can spell it correctly, and you get the word bottom of the light correctly, if I can spell it correctly. And that's it. LED video light. That's it. And the side got nothing, pinch black. And the back we got words and things, the light name, the light itself, and some social media QR code and some bills. And another side you got pinch back. The bottom, if you can see, it says save money on light and nothing else. And front, top you got temperature, battery, and he can use type C, USB type C, and you can change the temperature. Okay, we don't want to make this long. Let's open the box and see what inside. Alright, the box is really simple. You have to, you see, just see in my hand right now, you just push it, and the other side just ding, like that. Okay, I put that to the side, and we got another box. And this box is really pitch black, nothing to this, and only words that came is his name that I can read, if I can read it. So again, to open this box is really simple, just like that and like that. Okay, really simple. Okay, let's see what inside the box itself. The box came with this piece of paper. This piece of paper shows the light can change colors. Not change color, just put some filter to it and it will change color. I will show that afterward. So put it on the side. And we got ourselves in the box. So we got this thing that can clamp to the bottom of the light. If you can see, this thing can clamp to the light like a stand. Okay, alright, sorry about that. I don't know what that happened. And another thing, we got a USB-C that put to charge the light itself, put on the side. And the main event itself, we're gonna take this off now. Okay, don't worry, there's still a lot of it. So in this, my hand now I will show you the light. It's still inside this plastic. I gotta tear it apart. Okay, still in this plastic. Alright, this is the light itself. It's small. You can see it fits my hand. Really small. Alright, so we're gonna open the silicone now. This silicone, I will talk to you after this. So we're gonna see the light itself. The light is really small. It's plastic. Don't worry about falling it. It's not gonna break anyway. I already fall it before. The first time I purchased this light. And so we're gonna open it. If you can see right now, if you can see right now, it came with on off switch, the temperature to rise the brightness, lower and high the brightness, and temperature to change the temperature. Like now, like I have two light right now. In this side is warm, in this side is warm, and this side is bright. So this white, this orange. I don't know. just I don't know anything. Okay, I don't know. So we don't want to chit chat. Let's open it. See? Oh, it's too bright. Okay, I don't want to show the light too much. So if you can see the orange bar up top, that's show the battery indicator, and beside that USB-C. And another thing is nothing, pitch black, and the bottom is the where you mount the thing. If you can see it. Okay, I need to turn out the light. It's too bright. Alright. So we can cover everything on the light. So the lights are not came with nothing on the back. And same, its name. The back still rhyme his name, and anything else is nothing. So we move on to the next part. So we got this silicone that I mentioned earlier. This silicone, like in division up. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. You just put it like this. If you open the light, like last time, and see, still bright. Wow, it's still bright. Okay, it's cancelled the light. If I don't, let's turn off the light. Okay, if I don't put this silicone on the light, the light is too bright. It can hurt my eyes. It's really bright. So I don't want to do that. The function of the silicone is cancel the light and make it more in division. Make the light lower. If I increase the light, it's still lower. It's gonna be. So that's not all. So I need to put this on the side. Sorry about that, guys. It's raining outside. If you can hear the thunderstorm, actually, it's raining. So we got ourselves the color thingy. The 7 color. Let me open it and put on the side. See, 7 colors. Got 7 colors. Maybe, I don't know. Let me see. Purple, red, dark blue, pink, dark green, light green, yellow, maybe, I don't know. So that's the only color he gave us. So we're gonna show you one of the colors right now. Let me pick one. I don't want to use all because I already tested. I'm gonna pick the colors blue. Blue. So it's simple to put the, I don't know what it's called. This in this. We need this silicone again. We need this silicone and this, and we're gonna put it. Really simple to attach it. Just need to done. See, it's like that. So it's nothing, right? Seem like nothing. So we need to take our light again. We're gonna put it. Like that. You see nothing, right? You see nothing, right? So let's turn on. And you can see right now it's blue color right now. So let me increase the brightness first to see how much it turns. It is really much better in the dark. For now, you can see it's lighting blue right now, right? Okay, so again I need to turn off this. It's too bright. Okay, that's it. Everything on the box. Nothing else in the box right now. Empty. The box is empty. So we don't want to check anymore. I guess we're gonna end here. It's empty, right? Okay. Alright. We're gonna end here. It's pretty much late. It's raining outside. I don't want to record it. The thunderstorm will break my laptop again, and I need to buy another laptop. Okay, this is the new this is another tech unboxing. Sorry for a wrong switch. Another tech unboxing of the new, not new, I already buy this because I forgot to make it unboxing. Okay, the Vijim, how do I spell its name? I don't know, who cares. The LED video light. It's really small. I don't know why I buy this light anyway, because I surround with darkness, so I need some light, enough light to make my video. Okay, so that's it. Nothing else to say. Again, this is another unboxing about this LED light, video light, and we're gonna call it a day. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. If you already subscribed, good for you. Please subscribe. I want you guys to know, my video is free. It's a free content. Everything is free. You don't need to pay. You just hit subscribe, and that's good to me, to support me. Okay. And another thing, if you find my social media, just follow it. Link everything down in the description below. Everything what you need to know is down in the description below. And I guess that's it. Follow me on my social media, Twitter, Instagram, everything. And always, I will see you in the next video. Peace. Bye bye.